So what does Alamo Square Park mean to you?
Oh, it's just kind of our home. I don't know. It's I don't know. We started out in Alamo Square. You've always been here since I've known you, and it's so much a part of you in Cali that it just feels part of our life.
Oh. I mean, it looks like a robot.
Wave to it. Hi. Oh my gosh.
See where it's going.
What's on top of it?
Oh my God. Probably a good idea.
That'll do just fine, won't it? Here at Alamo Square Park, this place that is so special for us, I wanted to ask you the most important question I've ever asked anyone in my whole life. Christina, will you tell me how I ever got so lucky as to have somebody like you in my life? So beautiful, so smart, and so kind. You don't have to answer. I just wanted to make you wait a little bit longer. Christina, my love, I'm so grateful for the love you've given me over the last 4.5 years. Will you marry me?
Yes. Of course, this one.